Dear people, watching and listening, Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support my channel by contributing to my Patreon account so that I can continue making the audiobook series. Tipu Sultan, who was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore in South India, during his reign used to write down his dreams. They were penned down by Tipu himself in Persian language, dating from 1785 to 1798. The penned down dreams are 37 in total. After the fall of Seringapatam in 1799, the manuscript was discovered by Lieutenant Colonel William Kirkpatrick after a thorough search of his bedchamber during the ransack of Tipu's palace. The manuscript was so well hidden that even Tipu Sultan's confidant Munshihabibullah had never seen it before. The letters have been translated into English by Dr. Mahmood Hussain, former Minister of Education and Professor of History in the University of Karachi, Pakistan. Dream 8. The Sacred Relics from Hadrat Bandah-Nawaz. On the 5th of the month Ras-Thamari of the year Shata, corresponding to the 3rd Shawwal 1218 from the birth of Muhammad on Thursday, while returning to Patan, the capital at Salamabad, I had a dream. I saw coming two aged holy persons, both being brothers with baggage and provisions. They told me they had come according to the orders of Hadrat Bandah-Nawaz, who had sent certain sacred relics. Then they gave me a few pieces from the covers of the Kaaba, the Madina Munawwara and the tomb of Hadrat Bandah-Nawaz, a copy of the Holy Quran, and some sugar candy. I took the sacred relics and raised them to my head. I then opened the Quran and found it was written in a beautiful hand. Every page of the Quran had the name of the scribe written on it. On some of the pages, I noticed the names of Hadrat Bandah-Nawaz and other saints. Both the holy persons said to me that this copy of the Holy Quran had been written by several saints and calligraphists, and that Hadrat Bandah-Nawaz used to recite constantly from this copy. The saint had done a great favor, they added, by sending this copy for me. They also pointed out that they themselves were from among the descendants of Hazrat Bandah-Nawaz, and it was their custom to recite the Fatiha at his tomb and to offer sacrifices around it. Then I read those verses of the Holy Quran, which had been inscribed in fine handwriting on the gate of the tomb. At this point I woke up. The same afternoon I offered Fatiha in the name of Hazrat Bandah-Nawaz on 11 cauldrons of sweets. End of Dream 8.